Hi, my name is Noah Gift, and I'm going to talk to you today about the walk it out method. And really, it's a way I use to debug things in my brain while I'm, trying to solve a problem on a walk. Let's go ahead and go through the method step by step. Are you stuck on a technical problem? Let's say you're writing code and you really just feel like you're overwhelmed, you're in a panic, you have a deadline, you can't finish it. Another scenario is that you're studying for calculus, or maybe you're stuck on a book deadline or some kind of project. Well, there's a surefire method that I can recommend that I use personally to unblock myself. So it really involves the walk it out method. What is the walk it out method? First, you have to be stuck somewhere, on a problem and you feel overwhelmed. And then what I do is I pick somewhere beautiful to go for a walk, and I walk for about an hour to 2 hours. And what I do on that walk is I set the stage for the walk. So I have an intention. And while I'm doing this walk, I'll think about the problem I'm trying to solve, maybe high level, and then I'll put it away for a second, and I'll maybe walk for, let's say, 20, 30 minutes, and just put it in the background, and I'll look at nature. So having a beautiful environment like a forest, a river, an ocean, these are all a park. These are all great places to really make your subconscious mind start processing the problem you're focused on. And then as the vitamin D comes in from the sun, something we actually really need, 90% of our vitamin D comes from the sun. As we get exposed to nature, you start to feel relaxed, and those endorphins coming from exercise really start to help solve the problem in the background. So it's like having, maybe like a background job on your computer running. It's sitting there, surfacing. And then let's say about half an hour in, you might want to, have some kind of percolation about what it is you're doing, crop up to the surface. And then you can start to think about the problem, because you're happy now and you're outside and you're in nature. And what I found is that it seems really simple, actually, to just go for a walk when you're stuck on a problem, but it's how I've solved many problems, from writing books to working as a consultant on really difficult technical problems. And it's one of the best methods that I would recommend. And so if you are stuck on, trying to get yourself through a deadline or crunch, you feel panicked, you feel overwhelmed, feel like you can't breathe, do the walk it out method, go to somewhere beautiful, and I guarantee you, at the very least, you'll feel amazing after you go for the walk.